Okay, now we are doing question number 5. In question number 5, they are saying the equation of curve is y is equals to 4x s to power 1 upon 2 minus x. The curve has a maximum point when x equals to a and crosses x-axis at a point with coordinate b comma 0. Where b is greater than 0, the shaded region is bounded by the curve. The line x equals to a and the x-axis see the diagram. In part A, we have to find the value of a. So we are going to the graph. So in graph, first we have to determine what is maximum point. So maximum point, it is in maximum point means turning point. Okay. So where is the turning point of the graph? Here is the turning point. So this is a stationary point. We call it stationary point. Stationary point, and here the points are b comma 0. Okay, and here it is 0 comma 0. So when we have maximum point, stationary point, so dy over dx will be equals to 0. So for that, what we will do, first we will copy the equation, which is y is equals to 4x s to power 1 upon 2 minus x. So we are doing differentiating it. So dy over dx is equals to 4 x 4 upon 2 and x s to power minus 1 upon 2 and minus 1. Okay. So now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So this will be 2x s to power minus 1 upon 2 and minus 1. So what I have done, when we have maximum point and station point, dy over dx will be 0. So dy over dx will be 0. And so now this will be 2x s to power minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 1. And x s to power minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. So what we will do, we will write x is equals to 1 upon 2 and bracket minus 2. Now, when we have minus 2, we will reciprocal it. It will become 2 whole square. So this will be x raised to power 2 whole square. So the answer of x, x value is 4. So what they have said, the curve has a maximum point when x is equals to a. So we have to find the value of x. Sorry, we have to find the value of a, and x is equals to a. So we have x 4. So the value of a will also be 4. Okay. Now, moving to part B. In part B, they are saying find the exact area of the shaded region. So for this, we have to find the area of this shaded region now. So for this, we will do the integration of this equation. So first of all, when we are going for integration, we will write y is equals to integration sign. Sorry, integration sign, and we will apply the limits. The limits will be b and a, and the equation is 4x raised to power 1 upon 2 minus x and dx. Sorry, dx. Okay, now what we will do? Yes. So we will do uh, 2 multiplied by 4x raised to power 3 upon 2 over 3, 3 upon 2 and minus x square over 2 and square bracket the limits. which are b comma a. And now this will be 8 upon 3 and x raised to power 3 upon 2 minus x square over 2 and bracket b and a, the limits. Now, from here, we will got the equation. How we will got the equation? We will apply the limit. So 8 upon 3 in the place of x, we will add b and s to power 3 upon 2 minus b square over 2. This is first bracket and minus another bracket is of 8x as a raised to power 3 upon 2 over 3 minus a square upon 2 and yes. So from here we have got the equation now. So for this now we are finding the value of a. Sorry, finding value of b. So the value of b. So the value of b. So we have equation y is equals to 4x s to power 1 upon 2 minus x. So we will put b comma 0. So in the place of y, we will write 0, 4, and b raised to power 1 upon 2 minus b. So 0 is equals to b 1 upon 2 whole bracket 4 minus b 1 upon 2. Why? Because I'm doing a factorization. Okay. Now, so b 1 upon 2 is equals to 0 and 4 minus b 1 upon 2 is equals to 0. From here, b 1 upon 2 is equals to 4 and b is equals to 16. Why 16? When we will remove this will be 4 whole square. 4 whole square, so 4 whole square is 16. So that's why b is equals to 16. Okay, now we have find the value of b which is 16. Okay, now we have got this is the area of shaded region. So when we have got it, we will apply the b values and a values for. So we will get area of shaded region. So area of shaded region, area of shaded region is equals to. I'm copying this. So it will be easy for me to copy. Uh, here it is. So in the place of b, we will add 16, and in place of a, we will add 4. So this will be 16 raised to power 3 upon 2, 16 square, and 4 raised to power 3 upon 2, and 4 square. Okay, so 4 square. So we will use the calculator for this. So we are solving the first bracket 8, 6 raised to power 3 upon 2 over 3 minus 16 square over 2 bracket. So, yes. So this is 128 over 3 minus in the place of 16 we will add 4. In place of 16 we will add 4. So yes. So this will be 40 upon 3. So 40 upon 3. So when we minus 128 over 3 minus answer. So it will be 88 upon 3. This is our final answer for question number 5b, which is area of shaded region we have to find. Now, moving to question number 6. In question number 6, they are saying sketch the graph of y is equal to 3 sine x plus 2, and we have the limit 0 till 2 pi. 2 pi means 360. Okay, so for this, what we will do, we have to know the maximum and minimum point. The maximum point I tell the student is maximum point or c plus a, minimum point and which is c minus a. So first of all, you have to remember that this form y is equals to a sine bx plus c. So it will be easy to find the value of a and c. So in this, the value of a, in this the value of a is 3 and the value of c is 2. So we have to find the maximum one. So c plus a means 2 plus 3. This will be 5. And c minus a 2 minus 3. This will be minus 5. Minus 1, sorry. So we have maximum point. So we have maximum point and minimum point. So in graph, look, this is a maximum point and this is a minimum point. So we have made the lines to distribute the graph. So now I'm making the graph. We will start in this. We start from C. In sine graph, we start from C. Now it will be easy for you to check it. This is C plus A and this is C minus A. So we start from C. Now C plus A and now C, C minus A, and now from C, C minus A to C. In sine graph, we start from this is C. Okay, this is C. We start from C, then go to C plus A, then go to C, now C minus A, and now C. Okay, this is a format for sine graph. Now, in part B, they are saying, in part B, they are saying determine the number of solutions in the interval 0 till 2 pi, it is 360, of each of the following equation. The first, in first part, they are saying 3 sine x plus 2 is equals to x. So, first you have to know what is number of solution meant. The number of solution is meant by, the number of solutions means we have to find the number of, sorry, wait, yes, yes. Number mean that we have to find the number of intersection points. Okay, so we have to find the number of intersection points. So this is so yes, and this is y is equals to x. This is y is equals to x. So 3 sine. So yes, y is equals to x. So here is the point. First point, not point of intersection. We'll make the line first, and here is 3, which is I'm making here. Yes, so we will join these points. So when we join this, is the scale. We join the points. Yes, join the points. Sorry. Yes. Yes, we are joining the points. Uh, wait. Yes. We have joined the points, so we have to know that which is where the intersection intersecting. So it is intersecting from this graph. So in part B, part one, we write this that there is a one point of intersection. Okay. Now in part B, they are saying 3 sine x plus 2 and 5 minus x. So here is the line. So this line, I'm copying this. So this will be like this. Yes. This will be from line will be this line will be till here. So this should be a straight line. Wait, I'm making it a straight line. So so this is from here till here. Okay, so we can find three intersection points. One, one, two, and three. So there are three intersection points in part B, part two. So we are writing that we have 3 points of intersection. Okay. Now, uh, in part C, they are saying solve the equation 3 sine x plus 2 is equals to 5 cos square x minus 1. And the range is given 0 till 2 pi means 2 pi mean 360. So we are solving this. So 3 sine x plus 2 is equals to 5 and bracket. In the place of, we have to make in sine. So in here is the identity which is cos square x. So this will be 1 minus sine square x. 1 minus sine square x is bracket minus 1 and okay. Okay. How I get 1 minus sine square x? So here is the call that sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So I have to make make this cos square x into sine x. So how I will do? So cos square x is equals to 1 minus sine square x. Okay. So in the place of cos square x, I write 1 minus sine square x. So this will be 3 sine x plus 2 is equals to 5 minus 5 sine square x minus 1. And now this will be 5 sine square x plus 3 sine x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we will use the calculator to get the brackets. So mode option, equation 3 number 5 plus 3 and minus 2. So first x value is 2 upon 5. Okay, so we make the bracket which is 5 sine x minus 2. This is the first bracket. And the second bracket we got is, and the second x value is minus 1. So the bracket will be sine x plus 1 is equals to 0. So 5 sine x minus 2 is equals to 0. Yes, you have to know that your calculator must in radian mode. Okay, so I'm making my calculator in radian mode. So shift and where is it again? Yes, your calculate for this question when we have 2 pi or pi in the pi form, your calculator must be in radian mode. So I make my calculator in radian mode. So I'm solving this. So, and sine x plus 1 is equals to 0. So, this will be x is equals to sine inverse 2 upon 5. And this will be x is equals to sine inverse minus 1. Okay, so sine inverse 2 upon 5 is equals to 0.411. So x is equals to 0.4115. So the alpha will be 0.411. So we will solve this with graph, and this will be solved with try and error. So first I'm solving this, then I will solve this. Okay. So we'll make the graph. So I've told this before in previous video that we have to recall that we have this thing A S T C. Here it is from 0 to 90, and in this it is 0 till pi. From here, yes, pi upon 0 till pi upon 2. In this it is 90 to 180. So it means pi upon 2 and till pi. In this it is from uh, 180 to 270, which means pi till, yes, okay. So 270, in 270, what is the what is pi? In pi form it is 3 upon 2 pi. Okay. So from this it is 180 till 180 till 270 means pi till 3 upon 2 pi, and in this it is 270 till 360, which means uh, 3 upon 2 pi till 2 pi. Okay, here is a small concept you have to know. And this is in this all sine tangent in cos is positive, and this sine is positive, and other will be negative. In this tangent will be positive, and other will be negative. In this cos will be positive, and other will be negative. So, yes, we are doing this thing. So, what we'll do? We have sine positive, so we will use this and this thing. Okay, so like this. So this is 0.4115, and here is 0.4115. So this will be from here till here, and this will till here. Okay, now we are doing for this. We will calculate this first. I am doing this. So for try and error method, what we will do? Try and error. So first of all, I will plug sine 0 in the calculator to find if it got minus 1. So if we find sine 0, it will give 0. If we put sine 1, it will be give 0. Yes. When I put sine 1, it will be give 0.84. If I put sine, sorry, not 1, we will put sine 0, sine pi, sine pi by 2, and sine 3 upon 2 pi. Okay, so we will discuss. So sine 0 is done. So now sine pi, no, minus 1 is not getting. Now sine pi upon 2, 1 is getting. Now 3 pi upon 2. Yes. So 3 pi upon 2 is getting minus 1. So 0 has been done. X is equals to 0. Pi upon 2, uh, pi upon 2, and now 3 pi upon. Okay, so from 3 pi upon 2, we are getting minus 1. So the value of x will be, x is equals to 3 pi upon. So from here we got the x values. Okay, now for this, the first value of x is equals to 0.4115. Second is this section is from 90 till 180 means. So this is, so in this what we will do, we will minus pi minus 0.4115. Okay, and the second value is 3 pi upon 2. Why 3 upon pi upon 2? Because of this. So the answers we will got is x is equals to 0.4115 and 2.73 and 3 pi upon 2. These are our final answer for question number 6 part C. I hope you like the video of the question number 5 and 6. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.